If you knew what I knew, you could get 10 million subscribers within 6 months.
I've recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life. We are now stranded on a raft in the middle of the ocean.
And that is me. Why am I in the water? Just to keep your attention on the video. What if I told you that there is a secret to YouTube success? It isn't just luck, it isn't money. It's a formula, a strategy you can follow to blow up your channel. Stick around, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm breaking down the best YouTube advice from the king himself, MrBeast. Alright, let's jump in. Rule number 1.
So stop sitting there and thinking for months and months on end and just get to work and start uploading.
Just start. Stop overthinking. Stop planning for months. Your first video will suck. MrBeast himself uploaded hundreds of bad videos before cracking the code. So, if you haven't posted 100 videos, you're not in the game yet.
That chick from Twilight that can read minds? Well, I'm her cousin, and I can read minds as well.
MrBeast 6000, it actually looks pretty good.
What's up, guys? I recently hit 2 million views. So the first question is going to be, am I adopted?
See, even he started from here. The key? Improve a little every time. Better script, better edits, better storytelling. If you do this 100 times, by video 101, you'll be way ahead of all the competition. That's the secret.
And whoever leaves the circle last wins $500,000.
I'm going to show you the difference between this and a $300 million mega yacht. And whichever one of these 456 people survives the longest wins 456 grand.
Jimmy is obsessed with the first 10 seconds. He told them many times in different podcasts. Why? Because if people leave early, YouTube won't push your video. So don't waste your time, no long interest, no hey guys, welcome back. Instead, do that.
This is a $1 billion super yacht.
See that? Instant engaging. No fluff, he sets up stakes right away. Do this in your videos, or people will click off. That is exactly the reason why I'm in the water in the first couple seconds of the video. Getting clicks is one thing, keeping people watching is the real game.
Essentially, by studying the algorithm, you'll learn that you're more studying human psychology, right? What do humans want to watch?
Jimmy says, if I get bored even for a second, I cut it. That's why his pacing is so fast. Every second matters. Look at me for an example. Had to dive in the coldest water just to keep you watching the video. Try this. Watch your video, every time you feel slightly bored, cut that part. Or even better, test it on your friends. Let them watch the video, and every time they check their phones, that's where you lose them. Okay, listen closely. The next advice might not apply to you right now, but in the future it might help you. MrBeast reinvested every dollar he made back into his channel. But it doesn't apply just to money. It's also about time. He wasn't partying, he wasn't chilling, he was studying YouTube every waking hour. Hey, you don't need millions to do this, but you need to be obsessed. Improve your content, study the best, and reinvest your earnings wisely. Here's the truth. Algorithm is just a fancy word for audience. If people click and watch, YouTube promotes the video. If they don't, it won't. Simple. So instead of fighting the algorithm, focus on making videos for real people. That means killer thumbnails, engaging titles, and content that keeps them watching.
It's much easier to get 5 million views on one video than 50,000 views on 100 videos.
This here might be the biggest lesson. MrBeast says, it's easier to get 5 million views on one great video than 50,000 views on 100 mediocre ones. What does it mean? It means don't spam the content. Make every single video a banger. Now, you don't need $1 million, but you do need to push the limits of what's possible in your niche. Ask yourself, is this video so good that people have to share it? If not, go bigger. This advice is really important. The people around you matter a lot. If you're surrounded by doubters, you'll slow down. Jimmy found other obsessed YouTubers early on. They shared ideas, failed together, and grew together. So, if you're serious about that, build a circle of creators who push you, help each other, share knowledge, and grow 10 times faster. The YouTube game is always changing. YouTube today isn't YouTube 5 years ago. MrBeast constantly studies what's working, watches analytics like a hawk, and evolves. You have to do the same if you want to succeed. That's why he's still at the top. So always ask yourself, how could I improve? Learn something new every video, experiment and adapt. And that's it for now. Follow these rules and you'll be on your way to YouTube success. Now, if you're serious, don't just watch this video. Go and film one. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway and hit the subscribe button for more killer YouTube tips.
I'm still in high school right now, and whoa, this camera's tilted.